Okay, I took my XP for a spin yesterday, and I wanted to give you a recap of my initial impressions. First thing I'd like to say is that I think the bike is built very well. The quality is really nice. Everything's fitted really good, and just the way that it all comes together, the fit and finish seems very nice. As far as riding the bike, it actually surprised me. It exceeded my expectation. You seem to be sitting up a little more forward on this bike, not leaning over as much as you are with a normal bike. And I've got a back problem, so that seemed better for me. It didn't make my back hurt as much as a normal bicycle, because I felt I was able to sit more up and ride this thing. You could ride it as a normal bike. You do not need to use the battery, and it rides perfectly fine. But then once you throw it into the pedal assist, I started with one and then started working my way up. It really kicks in and really helps you pedal the bike. So you could really get some good distances going with this thing that way. Now, I got up to initially PAS 3 with the pedal assist, and wow, that was plenty for me on a normal ride. That was like 18 miles an hour. It was really helping me out. And I still had more room. I could go faster. And of course I could just use the throttle and do it that way, and didn't have to pedal at all. That gives you an opportunity to take a rest, and you can bike further this way. So it kind of makes you feel more confident and going further on your ride. So I think you get more exercise in the long run out of having the battery with the pedal assist and the throttle action to help you take breaks when you need them so you can go further. Other than that, the bike seems great. It's got a nice little handle here so you can pick it up real nice and easy. And the way it folds together is very compact. It really folds up nice. And it makes it easy for you to put away and stow. So I'm going to be using this when I go camping. So I can easily fold this up and put it inside my trailer or put it in the back of my truck, instead of having to leave it outside on the bumper exposed to the elements or possible theft. So the fact that this folds up so compact, you can fit it in a 50-gallon tub to hold it in and then place that in your vehicle. It's ideal for that. And the bike, as far as the rigidity of the bike and the construction of the frame, you would never know it's a folding bike or that it folds up because it's very rigid. It seems like a regular bicycle, but better. So I'm very impressed. My first initial impression is a 10.